Okay, rationalizing a denominator is actually extremely simple. So if I have the square root of 5 over the square root of 3, all you have to do to rationalize a denominator is multiply top and bottom by whatever's in the denominator. Okay? Reason being is because what you'll get is square root of 5 times square root of 3 all over the square root of 3 squared. Well, remember from the previous problem, you know that a square root of 3 is just simply 3 to the 1/2 squared, which means these are gone, right? Leaving you with the square root of 5 times the square root of 3 all over 3. So when you rationalize a denominator, all you do when you do this multiplication right here, square root of 3 times square root of 3 with the denominators, is you're just left with the thing that's underneath the square root. Okay, and that's it. So that's just remember that. That's the simplicity of all this. Finally, the last thing we have to do is just multiply these two terms and keep them under a square root. Okay, so we're going to do square root of 5 times 3 all over 3, which is the square root of 15 over 3. And that's your answer. So let's say I did the square root of 3 over the square root of 7. Okay, so I'm going to multiply by the square root of 7 over the square root of 7. That is going to give me the square root of 3 times 7 all over 7. Again, remember, these cancel out when I got them both multiplied together. 3 times 7 I know is 21, so this is just the square root of 21 over 7. Let's do another one. Okay, you can do these ones all day long. They are not hard. Square root of, I don't know, 5 over the square root of 11. Okay, so I'm going to multiply by the square root of 11 over the square root of 11. These cancel, leaving me with the square root of 5 times 11 all over 11. So I get the square root of 55 over 11. Okay, and that's it. So I'm not going to do any more of these ones because it's very straightforward. This problem should take you about 8 seconds. Q3, week 4, number 4.